Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to mute someone on Instagram. Now without any further ado, let's proceed. First of all, make sure that your Instagram app is updated, and after that launch the Instagram app, and in here you have to log into your Instagram account. After that, and from there at the bottom of your screen, tap on the search icon, and from the top of the search at the search bar, search for the user that you wanna mute. Suppose I'm going with this account. On this account profile, there you will see an option that says following on the interface. Tap on following and a dialog box will pop up. There you will see multiple options. From there, tap on mute, and in there you can select what you want to mute. If you want to mute their post, turn on the toggle that says post, or else if you want to mute story as well, turn on the toggle that says story too. And then again you can do similar with notes. After you're done with that, you have muted this account's post, stories and notes. So this is how you can simply mute a user on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will help you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. And thanks for watching. I will see you on next tutorial.